You've seen this building around Lafayette. This is where you're going to find your next job, where unexpected people find unexpected opportunities doing great things.
Because we don't hire based off of universal experience. We hire based off of individual talent, personality.
What we're interested in is, are you ready to do a good job? Are you ready to work for people who truly care?
Just about anybody should have an opportunity. I got the great opportunity.
Maybe you haven't been given a shot. Maybe you're looking for a chance to start over.
We got people from all different backgrounds that work here right now. And I'm a convicted felon. I actually came here through a temp service, and I was going in and out of jobs. But when I got here, my supervisor seen something in me that other people didn't see in me.
If you have the passion, drive, and you want to learn a new skill, we'd love to have you here at our team at Ash Industries.
Everybody's accepting. Everybody works together. We're a team.
We do have health insurance, 401k.
Just started a retirement account.
Things, we don't discriminate against anyone, anybody.
If you're in another field and you want to try something new, it's worth the effort. It's not hard.
It doesn't matter what type of background you have or what you know.
I've been here 13 years. Awesome. I have a great boss. I have an awesome team.
Good pay, a quality team, 401k, and a solid career future.
It's an enjoyment to come to work. You spend a lot of time here, so coming to work with people that you enjoy being around, you're close to, you share passions both inside and outside the workplace. It's a lot of fun.
And we work very hard to treat our employees like a family.
I have me and two of my brothers working here.
The best part is there's always new skills to acquire and learn on the job.
No, you do not need experience. We train on the job for everybody who's hired on.
If you ever thought about being in manufacturing, there is not another place like this.
This is a great place to be.
So come and join us.
Come join our team.
Come join our team.
Come join our team. It's a great place to work.
There's a lot of great people here, and we're doing a lot of great things every single day.
I want you to put in an application. I want you to join us.
And I want you to be part of the family.